was the third bite I had, the first one I got though.
I had one.
Did you? It's hard, I know, but they're in there. You just gotta make sure that thing gets to the bottom. Be careful. Watch the tree, watch the tree. Hold your pole to the left. Oh, that's big. Don't let go, Bailey. Keep the pole, keep the pole. Bailey, stay, pull over this way, pull over this way.
Pull it that way.
Oh, Bailey.
Nice.
Oh, no. Oh my God. That is huge. Oh, I told you they're in there. Look at that. He got a bite taken out of him. Let's weigh it. This is your biggest fish. $1.95, almost 2 pounds.
Better than mine.
All right, here, you gotta hold him and let him go, okay? His teeth are not bad at all. Look, he got a little parasite in him. See that? All right, here, grab him.
Touch his teeth first.
Go ahead.
They're a little spiky.
It's okay. Just put your thumb there and squeeze real hard. Do not let go. Just let him go. Good job. That's bigger than one I just caught. And you had the camera on. That's awesome.